The Korean Army has decided to replace the ammunition used in rifles and other firearms with high-performance rounds starting from 3 years later. These high-performance rounds have a significantly longer effective range, 3 times greater than the existing rounds, and are also known for their strong penetrating power capable of piercing tank and armored vehicle armor. In April 2021, a performance test of the high-performance rounds was conducted at a Korean Army shooting range. At a distance of 100 meters, a 6.5 mm thick armored steel plate, commonly used for armored vehicles, was installed, and the 5.56 mm rifle rounds were fired. At this time, the previously used K-100 rounds only left impact marks and bounced off lightly, while the high-performance rounds penetrated the armored steel plate. Furthermore, the high-performance rounds formed much narrower bullet impacts and improved accuracy. In October of last year, a range performance test was conducted. A 3.5 mm thick steel plate was installed at a distance of 1 km, and the 7.62 mm machine gun rounds were fired, all of which penetrated the steel plate at the 1 km distance. The previously used 7.62 mm rounds were only effective for aimed shots up to a maximum of 600 meters, so penetrating a steel plate at that distance was unimaginable. The high-performance rounds have a groove on the rear end to minimize air resistance and shift the center of gravity forward, ensuring stability during flight. This technology can be applied not only to small arms ammunition but also to other flying projectiles. The Korean Army conducted over 30 test firings during the 2-year period, confirming the overwhelming power of the high-performance rounds. Last year, 120,000 rounds were prioritized and supplied to special forces for field testing, and it was confirmed that there were no issues in performing various operations. Based on this, a decision was made in February of this year that they are suitable for military use. The Army is pushing for mass production of the high-performance rounds by 2026 as a goal. If the technology used in the high-performance rounds is applied to the K9 self-propelled howitzer, the Korean military expects that the range will increase by more than 3 times. If this expectation becomes a reality, the Korean military will be able to secure the world's strongest indigenous conventional forces.